children, today we will read the chapter Wonderful Waste of class 5th from CBSE Marigold NCERT. Children, do you know the meaning of waste? Waste means something unwanted and not useful. And what is the meaning of wonderful? Wonderful means extremely good or superb. Children, in this chapter, we will find out how a waste material become extremely good or superb. Let's get started.
Wonderful waste. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Feast means a delicious meal that served at a party or celebration. Grand means huge. Survey means to look carefully. Once upon a time, the king of Travancore. Travancore is the name of the place. Now, Travancore is known as Kerala. Invited guests for the huge dinner in his palace. So, in the afternoon, king went to the kitchen to check that all dishes are prepared or not. Dishes means cooked food.
What are you going to do with those vegetable scrap? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scrap near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste, we will throw them away." So, after entering into the kitchen, the king saw a basket of vegetable scrap near the cook and asked that what he will do with those vegetable scrap. The cook answered, "These scraps are not useful, so he will throw them away." Vegetable scrap means the unwanted and the waste material from the vegetable. Children, in our home also we throw all the vegetable scrap, right?
You can't waste all these bits and pieces of vegetable. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The king didn't like cook's answer. He ordered the cook strictly not to waste these vegetable scrap and think how it can be used. Then king went to his palace. The cook was in a fix and kept stirring the vegetable scrap for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. When the king left, the cook started looking at the vegetable scrap confusingly, as he didn't have any idea what to do with it. It was a hard to escape situation for him. Suddenly, he got an idea. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he grounded some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. Now, the cook started working. He washed and removed all the dirt and dust from the vegetable scrap. He cut them into long pieces and start cooking vegetable scrap by putting them in a big pot. Along with some paste of fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic, he added some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Now a mouth-watering, attractive smell started coming from the pot. Then cook took some curd and put it in the curry. He mixed a spoonful of coconut oil and for decoration he used curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Now the cook was happy and surprised to see a new dish. In the dinner he served that new dish to all the guests and every guest wanted to know the name of the new dish. After thinking, cook named the dish as Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. As all guests liked Avial, so it became very popular in Kerala. Now it's one of the main dish of traditional Kerala feast. Children, Can you imagine? A wonderful dish came from a basket of waste.
Dear children, if you have any questions or doubts related to this chapter, please write it in the comment box. Thank you.